Hi you guys, it's Melanie and welcome back to Living Luxuriously for Less, where we celebrate, decorate, and enjoy everyday life for less. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing the final room reveal. I have so many aspects that I want to share with you guys in this video, so definitely stay tuned. I hope you guys enjoy it, and if you do, please consider subscribing to our channel by clicking on that red subscribe button and giving us a huge thumbs up. So without any further delay, let's get started. So you guys have been on this journey with me from meeting with these clients at the venue. We also talked about last minute changes and how to handle those. Here we are loading the truck. I did an entire video that I will leave here for you if you want to check it out. We had to do it ourselves because our normal team members were at work, and then we ran into a little bit of inclement weather, so we weren't able to record the process of us unloading. But here is how the ballroom looked with just white tablecloths and all our things unloaded and in the center of the floor. And so this is the before, and here is the after. So not quite the after, but this is the after. I just sort of put everything in place. All of the candle lights I put in place and arranged all of the vases so that they could start filling them with water. I also put up the centerpieces so I could give you guys, kind of a look at that. Along with runners, she really wanted all of her tables to be white with just like a little bit of sparkle because she loves white. I don't have all the centerpieces in place, but I just wanted to show you guys kind of the steps that we take as we're putting everything together. Now, when in Lux Academy, I will show you guys how to set a table and how to time yourselves to see how much time you'll need to actually set up the complete venue. For this setup, it took us 3 days, and that is because we had a skeleton crew, mainly because most of my workers were involved with this wedding and I wanted them to really enjoy the process of the wedding without having to work. So we had to work with some individuals that were not trained and just people who help us out from time to time. So it took us a little bit longer. We didn't work for 3 full days. Like, we probably worked maybe 4 hours each day. So the total setup time was about 12 to 15 hours. So yeah, it was a lot of work. It only took us 2 hours to break down though. And so with that being said, I wanted to kind of share with you guys the details that went into each space. Now, the first thing that I did was I added very small bud vases with flowers and greenery in each bud vase, and then I mixed some silk pieces with some real pieces. So I want you guys to let me know down in the comments below which pieces you thought were silk and which one were faux. Speaking of faux, the faux china is definitely the way to go these days with your wedding planning. I got these from Posh Party Supplies. You guys know I love their products and I've been using them for years and years and years. I love this cutlery. I love the shape on it. I mean, it is just absolutely beautiful. It is so classy and so elegant and so timeless. And I will leave a link down below to show you guys exactly what pieces I have. But this cut lace piece is just absolutely gorgeous. All of the little holes in it really made it add something to the table. I love the dimension that it added. It is just absolutely gorgeous. And then also I had the knife and the spoon as well. The cake plates we used on the cake table because they did not have a salad, but you could order those with and without the salad plates, or you can use them as cake plates. So here is what the venue looked like after. Oh my gosh, it is so absolutely gorgeous. I went in and added some real flowers in with the faux silk florals, and I just felt like it gave it an overall beautiful look. I did want to share with you guys how the room looked before we had all of the candles lit, and then I will go back and share with you guys all of the details, but I'll let you look at all of the details with some nice listening music.
You are the reason why you night and day. Hey, even if you are 100 miles away, oh, I believe in you and me together, you and me always forever. Yeah, I promise I'll be there. Oh, I will give you everything, whatever. Turn my back on you, no, never. Yeah, I promise.
If you guys didn't notice the floral wall, it is everything. I wanted it to resemble a nice spring or summer garden. It is from Rose Morning. I will leave the link to it down below, along with the link for Posh Party Supplies. And I absolutely love it. I love the fact that you can add different colors to it to just kind of blend whatever theme you're going with. So I will leave that link in my code Melanie down below for both Rose Morning and Posh Party Supplies. You guys, the flowers were absolutely gorgeous. I love, 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 love the head table centerpieces. They were created by my friend Felicia over at Muscle Shoals Florist. She is absolutely incredible, incredible. Now, moving on to the wedding cake, we decided to do cupcakes because of COVID. The bride and groom wanted to make sure that everybody felt safe and didn't want to have to like go through that whole ordeal. So those cupcakes were not only gorgeous, but they were also very, very scrumptious. And the guests really enjoyed the cupcakes. They were asking me at the wedding who made them. So I will be getting her contact information and sharing that with you all as well. But it was just absolutely incredible. And the guests love, 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 love them because they tasted so good. I love the gold Chiavari chairs against the white and the blush. It just looks so elegant and so intimate with all of the beautiful uplighting and draping. I just want to take you guys on a journey of when we first looked at this venue, you guys, and what it looked like. And then I'm going to share with you how Adelie reacted on the day of the wedding, real life, what their first reaction was to seeing the room fully done. So here is what the room looked like before, when I took you guys on a tour of the venue and how you meet with the client at the venue. So this is the room before, and here is their natural reaction. All right, stop right there. Step over. Hold on. Right there. Stop, stop, stop. Let me.
But I'm gonna let you dance and eat chicken anyway. We're gonna bustle hard.
Okay. And open your eyes.
Oh.
Yo.
My gosh. Is it real? Wow.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. It's gorgeous. Mel. Beautiful. Gorgeous.
You were in a big puzzle too. You should have been up on her too. I don't know. I think you should be in the dance at this point.
No.
Really good.
You like it?
Y'all ain't done it.
This is me.
You like it?
Yeah, I love it.
Okay.
Love it.
Melanie, I told you. It's amazing.
So it's not.
You push it up. It fell. It's alright.
Yeah, it wasn't being perfect.
Tell them they need to.
This
What
is
you doing?
amazing. Amazing. Oh, thank you, Mel.
You're so welcome. Y'all are so welcome.
For what?
Look at this, y'all.
Whatever.
Who has a custom skirt and wall?
What?
Me.
But okay.
Let us fix your dress before y'all.
We're going to the room. We're going to eat in the room.
Now I will be doing a part 2 to this video in which I will share with you 7 details that you need to include in your wedding or event. And in that video, I'm going to reveal how we did the wedding ceremony portion, how we decorated that. I'm so ecstatic about sharing that with you guys. It was simple, but it was so beautiful, and so many of the guests complimented how we decorated that. So if you want to see the wedding ceremony decorations, be sure to tune in to part 2. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this entire room reveal along with this entire process. I love sharing with you guys, and I hope you would consider joining me for the virtual Lux Academy June the 15th. It's going to be an 8-week course, so if you guys are interested in that, be sure to visit my website at melanieturner.design/events, and I will also link it here. Thank you all so much again for watching, and until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. Cheers!